Hello students, today we will study a lesson for students of class 10 from English book Footprints Without Feet. This is chapter 9 Bholi, written by K.A. Abbas. The title of the chapter is Bholi, which is a Hindi word and means an innocent person. So, this is a story of an innocent girl, Bholi, whose real name is Sulekha. And the entire story revolves around Bholi. Now, let's read about the author. Khwaja Ahmad Abbas, best known as K.A. Abbas, was a prominent director and a screenwriter in the Indian film industry. He is known for his best works in Urdu, Hindi, and English. He has been a part of some of the most iconic films in the history of Indian cinema. Apart from this, he was also a journalist for the Bombay Chronicle and then the Blitz. He was born on 7th June 1914 in Panipat, India. He was graduated from the Aligarh Muslim University and studied both English literature and law. Now let's discuss about the key points of the story. A girl, Sulekha, called Bholi, the youngest daughter of Nambardar Ramlal. Nambardar means an official who collects revenue, and Bholi was his fourth daughter. An accident made her a backward child and had pox marks on body. When she was 10 months old, she had fallen off the cot, means bed, and had damaged some part of her brain. And when she was 2 years old, she got an attack of smallpox and got spots on her body that looked ugly. She speaks first at the age of 5, but stammered. Parents did not care for her, and other children also made fun of her, as she was neither intelligent nor beautiful. Afterwards, primary school was opened when she was 7 years old. The Tehsildar, which means district collector, advised Ramlal to send Bholi to school to set an example for villagers. People didn't want to marry an educated girl. It was feasible to send Bholi to school, as there was little chance of her getting married with her ugly face and lack of intelligence. But still she was sent to the school. Then, meeting with a kind-hearted lady teacher, the teacher encouraged her to speak. She hoped for a new life. Years passed and the village became a small town. Bishambar Nath, a rich grocer, was ready to marry Bholi. Marriage ceremony with pomp and splendor. Bishambar saw the pox marks on Bholi's face, demanded for 5,000 rupees to marry her in the name of dowry. Ramlal requested him to marry his daughter and gave him the money with great difficulty. But now Bholi refused to marry him. First time she did not stammer and said, "I can marry a man of the age same to my father, but can't marry with a greedy man just for the sake of your izzat? People whispered. Bholi answered them smartly. Ramlal was tensed. Bholi asked him not to worry about her and said, I will teach in the school and serve both of you in your old age. So, this was the storyline of the chapter Bholi. Now let's read about the theme. Bholi was a very shy girl. She used to stammer. But a lot of change took place in her personality when she joined school. Her teacher helped to change the direction of her life. She showered a lot of love and affection on her and gave her a new hope. She helped her to gain confidence and faith in herself. Bholi's teacher asked her to give up all her fears. This was the chapter Bholi. Thank you.